The favourite delicacy called potato chips, savoured by many, is more than just a snack. It's a universal symbol of indulgence enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Whether you're at a party, watching a movie, or just needing a quick bite, potato chips are the go-to snack. Their irresistible crunch, the satisfying salty taste, and the myriad of flavours they come in make them a beloved treat worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these delicious morsels are made? How does a simple spud transform into a tantalising treat? What journey does a potato undertake to become a chip that we so relish? Today we'll take you behind the scenes to a place where the magic happens. The potato chip factory. From the selection of the perfect potatoes to the ultimate packaging, every step is a testament to the art of chip making. So, without further ado, let's delve into the fascinating journey of a humble potato becoming a crunchy delight. It all begins with selecting the right potatoes. You see, not just any potato can be transformed into the crispy, delicious snack we all know and love. The selection process is meticulous, with a keen eye on the size, shape, and starch content of each potato. Size and shape matter because they directly influence the final product's uniformity. Think about it. Every chip in your packet is almost identical, right? That's no accident. Starch content, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in the frying process and the chip's final texture. Too much starch and the chip becomes too hard. Too little and it might be too soft. Quality control at this stage is paramount. Each potato is inspected to ensure it meets these standards. Once the perfect potatoes are selected, they're ready for the next step, washing and peeling. After selection, the potatoes undergo a thorough cleaning process. They're tossed into a vortex of water, scrubbed and agitated to remove any lingering dirt or grit. This isn't your ordinary kitchen sink wash. It's a rigorous procedure that leaves the potatoes squeaky clean, ready for their next transformation. Next, they're sent through a peeling machine, a mechanical marvel that strips away the skin in a matter of seconds. It's a fascinating sight, really, witnessing how the simple spud is quickly transformed into a smooth, naked tuber. Now comes the slicing. The peeled potatoes are propelled into a slicer that carves them into thin, uniform pieces. Each slice is a perfect sliver, a testament to the precision of these machines. The thinness is crucial, as it dictates the crunchiness of the final product. With the potatoes washed, peeled, and sliced, they're ready for the fryer. The humble potato's journey towards becoming a beloved chip continues. This is where the magic happens. The frying process. Now imagine a bubbling cauldron of golden oil. This oil isn't just any oil. Factories often use sunflower, safflower, or canola oil for their high smoke points and mild flavours that don't overpower the taste of the potato itself. The chips are then submerged in this hot bath of oil, where they undergo a transformation from simple slices to the golden, crispy morsels we adore. Temperature control is key in this stage. Too hot, and the chips burn before they're fully cooked. Too cool, and they absorb too much oil, resulting in a greasy, soggy chip. The ideal frying temperature is typically around 365 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take a few degrees. Once the chips reach that perfect shade of golden brown, they're quickly whisked out of the oil and drained. The excess oil drips away, leaving behind a chip that's crispy, light, and ready for the next stage. Flavouring. The flavours. The variety is truly staggering. From the simple salted chip to the exotic flavours of sweet chili, sour cream and onion, barbecue, or even pickle, there's a flavour for every palate. The flavouring process usually involves a tumble in a rotating drum where the chips are showered with powdered seasonings. These seasonings adhere to the still warm chips, ensuring that each bite is packed with flavour. And let's not forget about the specialty flavours that certain regions adore. In the UK, you'll find prawn cocktail and roast chicken chips. Travel to Japan and you might encounter seaweed or wasabi flavours. The world of potato chips is as diverse as it is delicious. But what's the secret behind these flavours? Well, they're often a blend of spices, dried vegetables, and sometimes even a touch of sugar to balance out the saltiness. Each brand has its own secret recipe, making their chips uniquely irresistible. After frying and flavouring, it's time for the chips to cool down. From the fryer, the chips are transported to the cooling conveyor. This cooling process plays a crucial role in maintaining the delightful crispiness that potato chips are celebrated for. As the chips navigate the cooling conveyor, the excess oil drips away and the temperature drops. This sudden temperature change locks in the crunch, ensuring every chip delivers that satisfying snap when bitten into. But the journey doesn't end here. Our chips then head towards the packaging line, a process that's more than just stuffing crisps into bags. Here, quality control is king. Each chip is inspected for any imperfections. Those that don't make the cut are discarded, ensuring that only the best of the best get to you. Once the chips have passed the quality check, they're ready for bagging. A predetermined amount of chips is dropped into every bag to ensure consistency. You might wonder why bags of chips often seem half empty. Well, that's not just air in there, it's nitrogen. Nitrogen helps to preserve the freshness of the chips and provides a cushion during transportation, protecting your favorite snack from turning into crumbs. The final step in the packaging process is sealing the bags. A heat sealer is used to close each bag, locking in the crunch and flavor. And there you have it. Your favorite potato chips are ready to be shipped. The journey from potato to chip is a carefully orchestrated dance of technology and taste. So, the next time you crunch into a chip, remember, it's not just a snack. It's a masterpiece of food engineering. From humble potatoes to your favorite snack, the journey is quite remarkable. We've traversed this captivating expedition, haven't we? From fields brimming with these earthy tubers, each one hand-picked for its quality and size. The meticulous process of washing, peeling and slicing them into thin, uniform pieces. Then we've witnessed the transformation, haven't we? The raw potato chips submerging into the bubbling oil and emerging as a golden, crispy delight. The magic doesn't end there, oh no. The chips then embark on a flavorful journey as they're tossed and turned in a variety of seasonings. From the classic salted to tangy barbecue, sour cream and onion, or perhaps the fiery chili. Each chip is a flavor bomb, ready to explode in your mouth. And let's not forget the final stage, where these mouth-watering chips are cooled and packaged. The process is as precise as a symphony, each chip finding its way into the perfect bag, ready for you to pop open and enjoy. Every step in this journey is carried out with the utmost care and precision, ensuring that the snack you adore is of the highest quality. So the next time you enjoy your favorite potato chips, remember the journey they've taken to get to you. Until next time, keep crunching.